Stop before you do anything today. Look at your inbox. How many of those emails did you actually need to reply to yourself? What if every single one of those replies was already sent automatically by an AI while you were sleeping? In this video, I am going to show you 4 real n8n automations that I built myself, and every single one of them is running live right now. We are talking about an AI that replies to your Gmail automatically, a form that cleans and saves data to Google Sheets with zero effort, a LinkedIn post generator that writes and publishes your content for you, and an AI customer support ticket system that handles urgent requests and logs everything automatically. No code, no complicated setup, and you can build every single one of these in under 10 minutes. Stay until the end because the fourth automation is the one that will completely change how you handle customer support. Let's get into it. Here is the real problem most business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs face every single day. You're spending hours every week doing tasks that are completely repetitive, replying to the same emails, copying form data into spreadsheets, writing the same LinkedIn posts, answering the same customer questions. And the crazy part, every single one of those tasks can be automated right now. Today, using a free tool called n8n, is an free open source automation platform. Think of it like Zapier, but you own it, you control it, and you can connect it to any AI model you want. And the best part, you can self host it on your own server for around $5 a month and run unlimited workflows forever. I have been using it for months now, and today I am sharing 4 of the exact workflows I use in my own business. Here are the 4 automations we are building today. Workflow 1: AI email auto reply. Gmail reads your unread emails, sends them to Gemini AI, and fires back a professional reply automatically. Workflow 2: Smart Form to Google Sheets. A form submission gets cleaned by AI and saved to Google Sheets perfectly formatted every time. Workflow 3: AI LinkedIn post generator. You fill out a form, AI writes a complete LinkedIn post, and it either posts immediately or schedules it for later. Workflow 4: AI customer support ticket system. A customer submits a support request, AI analyzes the urgency, sends the right reply, and logs everything to Google Sheets automatically. All of these are built inside N8N. All of them use Google Gemini 2.5 Flash as the AI brain, and all of them are completely free to run. Let me show you how each one works. Alright, workflow number 1: the AI email auto reply. This is the automation that saves me the most time every single week. Here is exactly how it works. Node by node walkthrough. Node 1: Gmail trigger. This node checks your inbox every single minute for new unread emails. The moment a new email arrives, the workflow starts. Node 2: Filter node. This is the smart gate. It checks if the sender is a real person. It automatically blocks no reply addresses, and mailer daemon messages. You do not want your AI replying to automated newsletters. Node 3: Extract email node. This pulls out all the important information: the sender's name, their email address, the subject line, and the full body of the email. It organizes everything cleanly before passing it to the AI. Node 4: AI agent with Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is the brain. It takes all that email data and writes a professional, friendly reply. It keeps replies under 150 words. It acknowledges what the sender said and it signs off with your name. Node 5: Extract reply node. This grabs the AI's output and prepares it to be sent. Node 6: Auto reply node. This sends the reply back through Gmail directly into the original thread. The sender gets a real professional response within seconds. Node 7: Mark as read. Finally, the original email gets marked as read so your inbox stays clean. That is it. 7 nodes and your email replies are now on autopilot. Every single person who emails you gets a professional response instantly, even at 3 in the morning. Workflow number 2: This one is for anyone who collects form submissions and manually copies them into a spreadsheet. That stops today. Node 1, n8n form trigger. This creates a live form with 5 fields: full name, email address, phone number, subject, and message. Anyone can fill it out and the automation fires instantly. Node 2 prepare node. This adds two things automatically: a readable timestamp in UTC and a unique row ID based on the current millisecond. Every submission gets a unique identifier, NOD3 AI agent. Here is where it gets interesting. The AI does not just save the data, it cleans it. It normalizes email addresses to lowercase, it formats phone numbers consistently, it capitalizes names properly, it trims extra spaces. It returns a perfectly clean JSON object every time. Node 4 parse AI output extracts the clean data from the AI response. Node 5 add to sheet sends the perfectly formatted data straight into your Google Sheet. Every row is clean, consistent, and ready to use. 5 nodes, your form data is now automatically cleaned by AI and saved to Google Sheets, perfectly formatted every single time. Workflow 3. This one is my personal favorite for growing on LinkedIn without spending hours writing posts. Node 1 n8n form trigger. You fill out a simple form with your post topic, your key message, and whether you want to post now or schedule it for later. Node 2 extract form fields, prepares and structures the form data for the AI. A Node 3 AI agent with Gemini. The AI writes a complete LinkedIn post. It follows LinkedIn best practices. It adds hooks, value, and a call to action. It formats it properly with spacing and structure. Node 4 parse and prepare post. Formats the post and checks the scheduling preference. Node 5 post now or schedule. This is an if node. If you set post now, it fires immediately to LinkedIn. If you set schedule it, it saves to a Google Sheet for later. Now D6A, post to LinkedIn now. Send the post leave to your LinkedIn profile instantly. Node 6B, save to scheduled post sheet. Saves it to your Google Sheet with the scheduled date and time. Node 7, log to posted log sheet. Either way, every post gets logged in a master sheet, so you always know what went out. And when you fill out one form, AI writes your post. It either goes live immediately or gets scheduled, and everything is logged automatically. You could post to LinkedIn every single day without writing a single word yourself. Alright, this is the one I told you to stay for. Workflow number 4, the AI customer support ticket system. This automation does something most businesses pay hundreds of dollars a month for, and we are building it for free. Node 1 8n8n form trigger. A customer fills out a support form with their name, email, issue type, and description of their problem. Node 2 extract and build ticket. This structures all the form data into a clean ticket object with a unique ID and timestamp. Node 3 AI agent with Gemini. This is where the magic happens. The AI does three things at once. It analyzes the urgency of the request, it writes an appropriate reply, and it categorizes the ticket. It knows the difference between I cannot log in and my payment was charged twice, and it responds accordingly. Node 4 parse AI reply extracts two key things from the AI response: the reply text and the urgency flag, true or false. Node 5 is urgent. This if node is the decision maker. If the ticket is urgent, it goes down the priority path. If it is standard, it goes down the normal path. Node 6a send urgent reply email. For urgent tickets, a fast, empathetic priority response goes out immediately. The customer knows their issue is being treated as top priority, and Node 6b sends standard reply email. For standard requests, a friendly, helpful response goes out with a realistic resolution timeline. Node 7 log ticket to Google Sheet. Both paths end here. Every single ticket, urgent or standard, gets logged with the ticket ID, customer name, issue type, urgency level, AI reply, and timestamp. Your customers get instant, intelligent responses. You have a complete log of every support request, and the AI handles the triage automatically. That is enterprise level customer support built in N8N for free. Let me show you all four of these running at the same time. Email comes in, auto reply fires. Form submitted, Google Sheet updated, LinkedIn topic entered, post generated and queued. Support request sent, ticket created, urgency detected, reply sent, logged. All of this is happening automatically. No manual work, no copy pasting, no missed messages. This is what AI automation actually looks like in practice. Let me quickly recap what we built today. Workflow 1, AI email auto reply. Gmail monitors your inbox. Gemini writes the reply, sends it, marks it as read. Workflow 2, smart form to Google Sheets. Form data gets cleaned by AI and saved perfectly every time. Workflow 3, AI LinkedIn post generator 1 form input becomes a published LinkedIn post with zero writing. Workflow 4, AI customer support ticket system. Urgent tickets get priority responses. Everything gets logged automatically. Four workflows, four real problems solved, all running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without you touching a single thing. And every single one of these was built with n8n and Google Gemini 2.5 Flash completely free. If you made it this far, you are serious about automation, and that means you are exactly the kind of person this channel is built for. Here is what I want you to do right now. Action 1, drop a comment below. Tell me which of these four automations you're going to build first. I read every single one. Action 2, hit the subscribe button. I post new n8n workflows and AI automation tutorials every single week. Action 3, and if you want the full workflow JSON file so you can import it directly into your own n8n, just write workflow, it will automatically send to your. The email is in the description below. I will see you in the next one. Let's build